Well, hey everyone, I'm Lily. I'm making this smoothie for my lunch today. I've made it a couple of times now and it's really good. It's one of those recipes that you can vary according to your own taste. Every time I make it, I try it a little bit differently, but I will show you the basic ingredients and then I will list below how you can vary it and everything you need to know how to make this. Oh, there's some birds outside there tweeting. So I'll start with the ingredients I'll be using today. Frozen beets, frozen blueberries, half a banana. You can also use a small banana. I have my powdered ginger, but you can use fresh ginger, of course. Ground flax seed. This is also optional. I haven't used it before, but I'm going to try it this time. Maple syrup. Don't worry, you don't need a whole bottle. You just need 1 or 2 teaspoons unless you use honey or no sugar at all. Today I'm using almond milk that I made myself, but you can use any kind of milk you like or even Greek yogurt or whatever. And if you want to see the recipe for homemade almond milk, which is like so easy to do, I'll put the link at the end of this video. Now, I'll be using my stick blender today. Same blender I almost took my finger off with a few months ago. Now that video's here too, but I will not link that one. You will have to look for that one. It might be under show and tell. I used to make my smoothies with a blender, but I no longer have one, so this works just fine. And today I'm going to be using a mason jar. So I'm going to stop the camera for a second, put all the ingredients in here, and we'll mix it together. Okay, all the ingredients are in the jar now except for the milk. Let's pour that in. Here we go. There we go. And now I am going to unplug the blender because that's how I got into trouble last time. Put my fingers up there when it wasn't unplugged yet, so that will never hopefully happen again. And by the way, my finger is still numb, so it takes a long time, but I'm just glad that I still have the finger. Okay, so we're gonna give it a taste. Nice and cold. It's really good, guys. And you might think that with beets in it, it would be a predominantly beet flavor, but because of the bananas and the berries, you can actually only just slightly taste the beets, and you can always add more or less of any of these ingredients. Can you guys believe it's December already? I've already done all my Christmas shopping. This year I got everything at Dollarama, except for my cats. They deserve better. Those were just a couple of lines from a comedy bit that I used to do. Fact is that I don't do any shopping. No Christmas shopping at all. That is for another video for another day. If you try this, let me know how you like it. It's very energizing and it's good for the digestion. It's packed full of vitamins and it's even got fiber in it because of the ground flax seed that I put in. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.